Giving you guys a quick little update on the Turbo TC now. I'm going to share with you guys how the issues that you will come across when purchasing a turbo kit from eBay. Forgive the background noise. First off is that this is not the charge pipe that come with the kit. It's actually a pipe from a cold air. I just had to rig it to where it'll work because of the air intake temperature sensor and mass airflow sensor. That none of the pipes had a fitting to place that. Second issue is that TCs don't really have a whole lot of aftermarket support for tuning capabilities, so you have to search a ridiculous amount of money. One thing that I did find is that micro squirt does work to it. I just don't know how to wire it. You can see all these little wires and doodads and whatnot, and that's probably aggravating some people. But I'm looking into finding somebody that can help me with wiring, because I have no idea how to rewire a car. I only know how to do engine stuff, not wire stuff. Back to the carburetor days. But yeah, another issue you will run into is fitment. This little piece right here I've damaged because of this downpipe right here got in the way, and I now have no AC. Another issue is for the fitment is the turbo will be in the way of this fan here. You can hear it hitting, so I had to disconnect this to keep it from damaging either the turbo or the fan itself. Still runs cool. This fan here does run a little more often, but it does stay pretty cool. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is there's a lot of refabricating on these turbo kits, and what I mean by fabricating, I had to buy two completely different downpipes, and have it refabricated because the downpipe that came with it did not match the wastegate's exhaust, and I had to get that completely cut off and whatnot. As far as mechanically, running 2 to 3 pounds of boost has not hurt the motor. I've gotten as high as 6,000 RPM on third and fourth gear, and I have no mechanical issues. It does bog down some trying to gas, starving the gas. It's running very lean. So I've been running the expensive fuel versus the cheap fuel. That's about it as far as the issues go. Yeah, in the next couple months or so, I should have somebody lined up to have a micro squirt wired this thing, so we'll have tuning capabilities on the car. Plus, I'm going to be putting a bigger fuel pump in there to support bigger injectors. Overall, the car's been handling the boost pretty good. It loves it. It wants more. It's been wanting more. I have put 8 pounds of boost in to see how it does. It starves the gas too much, so I've knocked it down to a 3 pound spring. I will probably put a 2 pound spring in it with a 1 pound reducer in it, and run it at the track, see how much 1 pound of boost increases my ET time on the track. But that's it for this video. Please give a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.